Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Yabu cabbage. Start by choosing firm green cabbage, trimming the core, and slicing into consistent strips about 3–5 inches wide for even cooking. Rinse and drain the cabbage while you mix a brine of water, salt, and a splash of rice vinegar. Let the cabbage sit in brine briefly while you prepare the pan and aromatics to build flavor before frying or steaming. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and add minced garlic and ginger to bloom their flavors. Toss the brined cabbage strips into the pan and spread them so they contact the surface for a light char. Add a pinch of sugar and a splash of soy sauce to balance tang and deepen color, then stir gently until cabbage is tender, crisp, and glossy, about 5 to 7 minutes depending on thickness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more step-by-step recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, recipe prompts, and playing music to lift your cooking mood, and it fits easily on a busy counter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it really helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once the cabbage is tender crisp, remove the pan from heat and drizzle toasted sesame oil evenly to add aroma. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and adjust seasoning with salt, extra vinegar, or chili flakes if you want heat. Let the flavors rest for a minute so the cabbage absorbs the finishing touches. Then serve warm as a side dish or crunchy sandwich topping that brightens every bite and pairs well with steamed rice or grilled proteins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.